But when you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shooting race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shooting race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
What would they say? What would they do? Would it be trouble if they knew? I'm trying hard to make you see. All that you are is all that I need. I know that it's a secret, and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on, and I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on. I know that it's a secret, and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on, and I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on.
Con la entrega de trofeos de este quinto Slalom de Borja, nos acompañan en la entrega Eduardo Arilla, alcalde de Borja, Aitor Cahueca, concejal de Deportes y primer teniente de alcalde del Ayuntamiento de Borja, también Ángel Echegoyen, presidente de la Federación Aragonesa de Automovilismo, y Andrés Fuertes en representación del club Súscribete.